Good morning. We're coming to you from Miyajima Island, which is just near Hiroshima. So this morning we went by bullet train from Kyoto over here to Hiroshima. Now we're out on Miyajima Island, which is known for a couple things. It's known for these little maple leaf cakes, which we're gonna go get. It's also known for having deer, not as many as Nara, but having deer roaming the streets and parks. It's also known for a torii gate, which during low tide is something that you can walk out to, but during high tide, the tide comes in and it makes it look like the torii gate is floating. So that's been a very popular and beautiful spot here in Japan, and we're about to go check it out. So come on along with us.
Burning bridges to the ground, so take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges to the ground. Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said. Connecting lines is what you planned. After all, let's take a chance. Turning dust into diamonds, turning love into guidance. A second chance, let us commence. That's what I left. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges.
We are back in Hiroshima after our day at Miyajima Island, which was awesome. Another great weather day. We're gonna go find some ramen for dinner and then call it a night at our hotel, which is right here. So the train station is right across this bridge there, and then hotel there. We just got done. We had ramen at a place called Ippeiya. I'll put the link down below if there's a website for it. If not, I'll show you on the map where it is. But it is the Hiroshima style dried noodles. It was so delicious. It was this little mom and pop shop for noodles and beer right around the corner from our hotel off the tourist track. We loved it. We absolutely loved it. So here in our hotel room, we're staying right across from the Hiroshima train station. Small room, but very clean. I'll give you a little bit of a room tour to show you what checking into a Japanese hotel is like. So check this out. Things that they have here that we don't have. One, comes with pajamas. And they hooked us up with a paper crane. That's the first time we've seen that since we've been here. That's awesome. Over here near the bed is a full station that controls everything in the room. We got our fridge, our phone, charging station is going to be here. Every hotel we've been in has had one of these. Fabric and air freshener, so kind of like a Febreze if you're feeling kind of crusty. Slippers for the bathroom are down here. So in Japan, when the bathroom is raised up like this, it means that you need to put on a different pair of slippers when you go in. So these ones are for the bathroom. These ones are for the regular room. So just a traditional Japanese custom. But the other thing, I have never seen a hotel room with a TV this big. This is maybe like a 55, 60-inch TV. And this is the smallest room we've had on this whole trip. So that's amazing. But with that, it's been a long day. We're going to call it a night. We have an awesome adventure to go on tomorrow up north of Hiroshima. So good night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of